Oh, I hope my screen is visible. And this was the question that you had. The task was to fix number of places down the alphabet. The name of the challenge was the 3-day test match, and you have been provided with some code over here. And as you can guess from the link, that it falls under the category of cryptography. Many of you might have already guessed what this is. Those who didn't, this is Caesar cipher encrypted code. Caesar cipher. Well, let's see what Caesar cipher is. But first of all, let's see solution to the challenge. Even if you had no idea, like what is this, all you really needed to do was just Google it, and the first thing you get is Caesar cipher or everything about Caesar cipher. So then the next step is just decode Caesar. Here is the link, and just copy and paste. Now, before we decrypt it, there is a thing known as a shift in Caesar cipher. So Caesar cipher is basically a substitution cipher where each letter is substituted by another letter, and the shift decides the extent of the substitution. Like, for example, if this is visible, you can see that the plain alphabet, like if the shift is 3, the most popular shift is shift 3. Like D is the third letter after A, like B, C, D. So the third letter. So A is substituted by D. Then B substituted by E, C substituted by F, and so on. The cycle continues. So that is what you need to know at times while solving or decrypting this code. If the code is like really small, you are provided with just a string or something, you can test for all possible shifts. That is the brute force attack. It will test for all possible shifts, and you can find the relevant decrypted code. But in this case, the brute force attack is not that effective. You won't find meaningful text or the text as it was actually in the same format as it was encrypted with. So we hoped that if you can reach to this place, you can identify that it is a 3-day test match. So obviously the shift may be, and obviously is 3. So we'll test for shift 3, and here we have the flag CSI-CTF. This is the flag code. Oh my god! Copy it and paste it and submit. So this was all about the first challenge and the solution. Hope you had fun solving it. Thank you.